Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to automatically download photos and groups on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you're active in Telegram groups, you probably know how annoying it can be to manually download every single image. The good news is, Telegram now gives you more control so you can automate this and save time. Let's jump straight into it. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all your customization options are located. Now, inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Advanced section and click on it. This area gives you more detailed control over how Telegram behaves. Next, look for the option labeled In Groups. This is where you can manage how media is handled specifically in your group chats. Click on In Groups, and you'll see different media options. Here, simply enable the Photos option. This tells Telegram to automatically download photos whenever you're in a group chat. After turning it on, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's